last day in Turkey, so what we decided to do was a DIY Turkish food tour. Woo! Woo!
Antalya, but it sure is a tight fit in our car.
Because how fat our car is.
Our car isn't fat, it's normal.
This is a tiny car. I'm done it with this.
This is cute though.
Hostel. Music we trust.
See, if you stay in a hostel, which you're so against, there's usually a pub or bar downstairs. Am I speaking your language?
Not against that.
Okay.
We should stay in a hostel.
I agree.
At least once. I feel like we're not experiencing it.
I agree. I'm gonna look for one.
We are doing the
Oh,
fullest
boy.
experience possible, basically. Which is hostel.
Oh boy. Get out of the way, luggage. Yeah, just. Oh my. You're gonna have to. Oh my.
I don't like
Huh?
Sorry, I have a relationship with food. I like that so much.
That's what it said?
Yeah.
Oh my.
I would never break up with food. I'm marrying food. Yeah, I know. What's your baby gonna look like? Woo! Half burger, half alien. Half broccoli. Human.
Sorry. Really sorry. I didn't know. I've never been here before. It's like driving through a shopping center.
Driving through.
If you see anything you like, Claire, just reach out and grab it.
Nobody's looking at us like we're insane.
You saw that guy? He just walked past.
We're just so close.
Fudge. We could try to just pop down the car. What the hell's that gonna do?
I don't know. I'm just trying to get you out of this situation for the time being. Note to self, if you're on a Turkish road tour, wait, I'll tell you in a second.
It's too stressful.
Oh my gosh. Anyhow, just don't drive in the old town. Something else.
I can't believe other people drive it.
I cannot believe that's an actual thing. I would say, like, if you're staying at one of those hotels, you just gotta walk in.
Yeah.
Or you make them take golf carts.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, this is the exit. Get us out of here.
It's like saying fun.
Huh?
It's the same
I'm
thing.
pretty sure it is, but isn't that good? Get us out of here. Just go find somewhere to park up here. I'm sorry.
How was it, Dada?
No.
Do you not even want to talk about it?
No. I gotta figure out how much parking is. How much?
You lost driving experience?
No, we've had worse.
So we finally found a place to park. Now we're just walking around, looking at the signs and all the cute places.
It's nice right here.
Yeah.
It's quiet.
Yeah.
Nobody to bother you.
Yeah. You gonna sell us anything?
How much was parking?
30 Turkish lira.
30?
Yeah, for 3 hours.
$1.50 for 3 hours. It must be 50 cents an hour.
Yeah.
See that quick math?
Oh, so good. Congratulations. You've won the Quick Math Award of the Year. That's really pretty out here. Daddy ate it.
What did you find?
Dad.
Oh
We
my
literally
gosh.
thought we were gonna hit the car at least.
Oh my gosh, it was rough. It was so
Oh,
rough.
look at those.
Yeah, it's all tea.
Vitamin T.
Maybe this is gonna be too touristy for us.
I know.
I have pizza, I have pasta, and I have the kebab steak.
Thank you.
Kebab,
Thank you.
please come back.
All right.
I love the lamps. So cool. Look, we're almost down to the marina
What's over here?
where boats go.
I don't want to go on the marina.
Why? You just want food.
Yeah.
I'm with you, friend.
Why haven't we got food?
We're working on it. Because I don't know the area.
Chef, this wants the meat. Okay.
Oh, okay.
You want the yeah.
This only
We're not eating scimitar.
Madam, this only extra cheese, extra chocolate.
Do you want cheese or chocolate? Or
Cheese, okay.
the whole time we thought we were eating civets?
We're eating
Not
ish
civet.
kebab.
What would he say it was?
Ish kebab.
Ish kebab?
That's what I
Actually, I take a civet too, but plain. We're starting our food tour with circle breads.
Ish kebab.
Yay!
What's an ish kebab?
The ones we thought were civets.
Oh, these are the civets, the crunchy ones. The puffy ones are ish kebab.
And both typical Turkish breakfast.
Restaurant, that's 30 lira.
I like this one.
Good.
He doesn't.
Cheers. Just take a bite.
Oh my god.
No?
So much sesame seeds.
I know, I like that. Great walking snack. It's like being able to buy bagels just.
Ollie.
Except for the crumbs on your boob shelf.
Is that what you call?
Look at that clear water.
Very cool. Very cool.
Must be like part of Antalya, you can do sunbathe.
Oh,
Interesting.
yeah. Okay, so everything says go to the old town. Number one thing to do in Antalya.
Don't do it.
It's very cute. The old buildings are super cute. Very touristy. Not a great place to be doing a DIY food tour is what we've come up with. Because we're thinking like pop into street food kind of things. And this is like fancy restaurants. We're still looking.
No,
But we may have to
fancy restaurants. Just restaurants that
have like
real
American
Turkish
food and a lot of people
Probably
trying to
not
sell
even
you
good
stuff.
food.
I mean, it's pretty, but I don't know.
Don't come for food.
I was expecting more, I think. Yeah, it smells like garlic.
Smells like the garlic butter bread that we had in
Thailand?
Thailand all the time. That your favorite bread is.
Garlic bread smell will always make you think of Thailand.
Yeah.
That's funny.
It'll make me think of, yeah, it smells exactly like that bread. I loved it.
Yeah, it's
I
good.
loved it.
Yeah, you had it twice.
Literally as his dinner. Go watch that episode.
Okay, one thing. No, that's not how you drink. You gotta poke it guys. Yeah, you poke it in. Oh my gosh. So one thing that is everywhere in Turkey, is it not?
Pretty much.
Anywhere you go, this is on the menu. And like when you go to fast food, this is the drink. Well, this is the drink that comes with it, isn't it? And you see a million people drink it. And then describe.
I like it. It just tastes like,
Oh, he loves it.
Ellie, wait, that one doesn't have a straw.
It just tastes like yogurt.
But like cottage cheese. I know, that's what
all
I said.
Yeah, he's going for it. I knew he would.
It's literally cheese.
It's not cheese. It tastes like yogurt.
Cottage cheese juice.
Let me see.
That's cottage cheese.
No, it tastes like yogurt.
I like it. It's salty?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
cheese
it's-
in a bowl.
If anything, it's the texture. It's pretty thick.
It's like yogurt. Get in your head, it's just yogurt.
I feel like it's probably good for you. Like it's great for like probiotics.
It is definitely
All right, not as bad as I would
I
think.
like it. It's cheese. Do you like cottage cheese? Do you
Yes.
want to drink it?
Yes.
Yeah, then come to the turkey.
Okay, next up, the obligatory wraps.
Box.
Durhams. Donner means beef,
Yes.
but so these are a beef wrap, chicken wrap, off the spit, shaved off in the little
Tell us in
things.
the comments if you are Turkish. Tell us what doner means. How do you say it too?
Yeah, Donner.
Doner? Doner? Doner?
Yeah, it's just falling apart. Is it good? Is it a good version? We've had quite a few. It's Ellie's favorite thing.
If you just eat the side, it's only two.
What's in it, Ellie?
Onion, some lettuce, some tomato.
What's the sauces in this one?
Doesn't really have it. Which I'm
No sauce. Okay.
kind of dry with it.
It's a little dry.
that's what I'm saying.
Oh, you like it? All right.
That sauce is
Okay.
What is fun? I just had to.
It's a great cheap meal, right?
yeah.
What? That's cool. Oh yeah. It's very big. All these trees.
All right. We've got bread and cheese in two forms. This is called gazlemi. It's what she was making out front.
Yeah.
It's like a little pancake with cheese. This we haven't had yet, but it's called borek. And it's like
Like layers of
layers,
cheese.
noodly almost.
That's what I told you. It looks like a noodle.
And then we couldn't resist
Treats.
some treats.
They're really small. They're
All right.
two little cookies.
Eat your bread and cheese before you eat your treats.
Okay, I'm trying this one, Mom. That cheese is good. It is noodle.
Is it?
It feels like it. Ollie, this one? Noodles cheese. It's like, veal lovers. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Try this. This is noodle.
Better, huh?
It's just like a cheesy naan bread. Almost. Like a thin naan bread.
We've had gazlemi a bunch, and we call it the quesadilla. Turkish quesadilla.
This is the best yet.
I like that one.
Good.
It's good.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. What does it taste like?
Cheese bread.
Is it cheese like this? Like
No.
feta?
No, it's like a
It's like mild.
yeah, pretty mild.
I don't even taste cheese.
You like it?
It's weird.
Okay. No? Just kind of strange.
It's just strange.
Yeah.
It's like a noodle
Yeah.
in a bread.
Like a little cheese?
No, but like in a weird form. I don't know. It's just weird.
I would do this over this.
Yeah. Me too.
Are we all agreed
I
there?
thought it was fun.
Turkish tea is everywhere. When you shop, Turkish tea. When you go anywhere, Turkish tea. And it's deliciously
Bitter.
bitter and very hot. And I think people think it's crazy we don't drink it with sugar. I think it's typical to have like 2 to 3 sugar cubes in tea. If you're Turkish, let me know if that's true. So, if you like cheese and bread, come to Turkey. It's everywhere.
One more kiss for you, okay?
Good one, Wilson.
All right, Ollie. He knows you're strong.
2, 3.
Go, Ollie! Come on, push, Ollie! You got this, Ollie! Oh, nice job! Oh. That's nice. Thank you so much. That was so nice of you.
Did you say thank you, Ollie?
You're so strong. Man, that was amazing. Thank you.
I know, see? Try it.
All right, so we know we needed to try baklava. How is it, Ava?
Is it good?
How'd you get that free baklava?
That's all.
Nice. Is it good?
He's right, it's really good.
Ooh, I like that. It's less sweet, right? Do you like it?
I like it a lot. It's good. It's like that is the honey amount, which is why I like it.
It's not so gushy. All right, back to the car, peeps. I'm stuffed.
Two more? I love it.
Yeah, it's very good. Good choice. Thank you, Ollie.
I know.
Okay, we got back home after the most ridiculous drive you've ever seen. Where we got like literally 1 minute from our house, only to go, I don't know, 30 minutes out of the way. So we came home, hung out for a bit, and now I let our stomachs rest. And now we're ready for our desserts. We might have gone a little overboard on our ordering, knowing that we have to leave tomorrow. We have a lot of food to eat.
No problem.
So we got some traditional ones. This one we've had a bunch. This is like pistachio and
Cranberry.
pomegranate. This, I don't know, but I think it's traditional. This is Oreo, and this is tiramisu. I think this is the normal Turkish.
Yeah, I know.
This is the kind I like.
I like this.
Let me have a bit.
Oh, you're just
This is the kind I like.
chocolatey.
Let me have some.
It's like a really good gummy with a bunch of nuts.
chocolate.
That one's good.
This one, there's marshmallow.
I prefer that.
This one's
Chocolatey.
It is, isn't it? That one you're gonna like. It's the best. When you come, just get the pomegranate with the nuts. I feel like it's the best. Everywhere we've been, and we've had our fair share of Turkish delights, that's the best, yeah?
Do you have any memory left?
Pide.
It's now dinner.
Yeah, I know.
The last thing that we were going to put on our food tour, we couldn't fit it in into our stomachs until now, is Claire's favorite.
Pide.
Tell us what it is.
Oh, it's kind of like pizza-ish. Not really, actually. It's better.
Oh,
Well, it depends.
this
Some
one's
pizza's
good.
really good.
So,
Yeah. This one, they just got cheese. It's always
Check
good.
cheese
Ollie
bread,
always
yeah.
gets cheese. And then this one has bell peppers, tomatoes, and chicken.
Yeah,
That's
it was
what I got.
really
It was
good.
really good. Except I thought I had cheese with it. It would be nice with a little sprinkle.
yeah.
And it's basically on this really flat bread. We did it, and you thin it out. It starts like this, and then you thin it out into this type of shape. Then you put the toppings, then you fold over and put veggies. I don't know
Yeah,
what.
it's kind of like a long oval pizza.
Yeah, it's like really long.
And everywhere we've gone, it comes with something different. We've gone and it came with
Veggies.
hot veggies. We
That was
came
good.
and it came with salad and some different
Salsa.
sauces.
Yeah.
It's
All
really
in all
good with
good.
the salsa.
And if you haven't seen the video where me and Claire made the Pide, then you should go watch it.
Why did
It
you
was
like
a
it?
good one.
Yeah, it was good. It was fun.